Imagine a world full of tenderness and color, inhabited by a little girl who has conquered the hearts of millions. She is Hello Kitty, a character who was born in Japan in 1974 and who has never stopped growing and evolving since then. Did you know that behind that angelic smile lies a story that has gone around the world? Although many consider her a kitten, Hello Kitty is actually a little girl, an eternal third grader who lives in a fantasy world. Although we all know her as Hello Kitty, her full name is Kitty White. Her design, with her characteristic red bow and the absence of a mouth, makes her unique and recognizable worldwide. Hello Kitty is more than just a brand, it is a symbol of friendship and companionship that unites people of all ages and cultures. Its story began with a small vinyl purse, but it quickly became a global phenomenon. Hello Kitty has grown from a simple illustration to a multi-million-dollar brand, present in all kinds of products, from toys and clothing to technology. What is the secret of her success? Perhaps it is her simplicity, her cuteness, or her ability to evoke positive emotions in those who see her. Hello Kitty represents values such as friendship, happiness and innocence, making her a timeless icon that transcends generations and cultures. So next time you see Hello Kitty, remember that behind that smile and that red bow there is a fascinating story, a story of how a character created with such love has managed to conquer the world.